In this ukulele tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the intro and combine it with the rhythm all into one piece. This is Banana Pancakes by Jack Johnson. So the intro here is this single note thing, and I have a separate video just going over this. So if I go too fast, you have that video you can fall back on. I also have a separate video just on the rhythm here, but we're going to take those two and combine them together. So we're going to start right here with a slide from 5 to 7. This is on the second string, and I'm going to go first string 5, back to second string 7th fret, 5, 3, open. That's all second string, and then open first string. Okay, so that's the lick. But now what I gotta do, and this last note is beat 1, but what I gotta do now is get my A minor ready for the upstroke so I can get this rhythm. All right, and that's where it gets tough. So it's gonna sound like this. And that's exactly the right amount you're gonna play, because then you gotta do the lick again and get to the next chord. So the rhythm then, I just hit the open first string that ended the lick, is my A minor. I'm gonna go up. That's the and a 1, and then mute, and I'm muting with my palm here, or even just my hand on the strings, and then up, down, up, mute, up, and then down, up, because on beat 1, I gotta stop, because on beat 2, I gotta get back to the lick that goes to the next chord. All right, so I know it's a lot, but let's put it together. Here we go. With the lick, again, this lick starts on beat 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's it. And then I do the lick again. Except the last note, instead of being the first string open, I'm going to end it right here on the second string 3rd fret. And I got to do my 3rd finger, because it's going to put me in position for my G chord. And I'm going to hit that on beat 1 and then strum again on the up, mute, up, down, up, mute, up. And then I got to do one more down, up, because that's beat 1. And then I go back to the lick again, although the lick, we're going to change it up just slightly. Let's do that part. That's part 2 with the G chord. 3, 4, 1. All right, now before we go to part 3 here, let's just put those together. All right, from the top. 3, 4, 1. 4, 1. Woo. Part 3 is going to be like this. The lick's almost the same, just slightly different. Slide 5 to 7, first string 5, and then this time you're gonna go up to 7 on the first string, back to 5, second string 7th fret. I'm gonna skip the 5th fret and go to the 3rd fret, and then I'm gonna go right to the open string. Again, that open string is on beat 1. We gotta get our A minor and do the upstroke, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, and then we go to the G chord. All right, so this is part 3. Let's do it. 3, 4, 1. Now the 4th part is the G chord again, but that's exactly the same as we did it the first time, which is back to 3. So 5 to 7, 5, 7, 5, 3, 0, and then back to 3, and then right to the lick, okay? Or the chord with the rhythm, okay? 3, 4, 1. All right, now this time, before we end it, just to kind of throw something different in, that's the second time we're playing the G. We're gonna go, we're gonna jump the beat 3 and 4 on the D7 chord, boom, and then end it on a G. That's just something fun to do. All right, so we're gonna put it all together right here. We go 3, 4, 1. Right there. And notice, even though that's a little slower than the actual track. And by the way, you can play this. This is the same key as actual track. It's just got a nice, I mean, it really works well on the uke, just a little more mellow. It gives it that really cool beach vibe that, this song kind of has anyways. All right, now, the reason I even did this for you is because we're working on this right now. And I tell my members this all the time, like what we do for our thing, I'll do like little videos, tutorials, or even just shorts and stuff of the stuff that I'm teaching them. But we're doing this right now for all our platinum members, because the platinum members get access not only to all the courses that we have, but actually all the live lessons. We have several throughout the week with not only me, but our other great instructors. That's at ukelekethepros.com. So, I mean, check that out. Come be a part of our, fantastic community of ukulele players that we have over there. We do baritone as well, and some guitar lately. And then our instrument here, our Kala Uke Like The Pros Tenor. This is a SSMHG. I did have a low G. I don't think I mentioned that in this video, but low G on this one. But low G, high G doesn't matter. Works for this video. But this uke, all the other great uke brands, we have guitars, mandolins, banjos, everything you need, accessories for your musical needs. We have that on our store, and that is terrycartermusicstore.com.